One, two, three. Ma'am, thank you so much for talking to NewsX, ma'am. I would like to know your good name, ma'am.
Yeah, my name is Biba Sopti, and I look after the history department at Modern School, Barakamba Road.
So, ma'am, my first question to you is, what is the primary objective of the Yari initiative?
Well, the Yari initiative was not only an attempt to sensitize students to the plight of the Yamuna, but perhaps it was an attempt to celebrate the river as an entity. Because, historical accounts always refer to the Yamuna as mighty, as powerful. And mighty and powerful it indeed was. It served as a backdrop not only for multiple empires, but it also acted as a cocoon. It acted as a niche, which enabled traditions, cultural microcosms, as well as multiple entities to flourish, to garner, and more importantly, to nurture. It's interesting, कहते हैं कि देखो निगाह शौक से दिल्ली के नज़ारे तहजीब की जन्नत है जमुना के किनारे. So it's that tehzeeb, it's that tasir, it's that tamiz that we are actually celebrating. And the Yari project did exactly that. The Yari project not only brought Yamuna within the mindscape of the student community, but it also enticed adults to do a rethink on the Yamuna and celebrate the river. Kalidas calls Yamuna as, a river with black water in contrast to Ganga, which is actually a river with white waters. So black and white are only relative terms. And that was very well encapsulated by our students in the fashion show, where they used color as a metaphor to talk about multiple aspects of the Yamuna. So whether it was a website which our students created, whether it was the robotic project that the students worked on, or it was the app that they worked upon, every dimension of the Yamuna and its creative paradigm was taken up very creatively with our students. And the best thing was that it was not limited to school. It had a fantastic outreach. And one must place on record the tremendous help which the management gave us, as well as Mrs. Ambika Pant, who spearheaded the movement and actually ignited the passions for the right time and at the right place.
Why is it critical to make Yamuna conservation a formal part of the school curriculum, ma'am?
Uh, well, the Yamuna is a metaphor for life. And the Yamuna is not just a river. I mean, how many rivers in the world have so much unsaid and so much misunderstood as perhaps the Yamuna has? And I think it's important for us to understand the Yamuna not only as a microcosm of topography, but also more importantly as a diagonal which kind of, cocoons and which हमारी धरोहर है. It is what makes Delhi special is the Yamuna. What makes Prayagraj special is the Yamuna. What makes Agra and Mathura, places which kind of, have a constant connect with one's memory is the Yamuna. So, and apart from that, I also feel that it's important to sensitize. It's important to sensitize and create that kind of empathy for the river. It's important to look upon the river not only as a geographical entity, but more importantly to look upon the river as something which is a lifeline, as something which जो हमारे जहन में है, जिसका जिक्र बहुत बार होना चाहिए, और जिसका कि जोश और जज्बा और जिगर जो है वो हमारे में समाना चाहिए.
What was the process for designing this initiative specifically for students?
Well, I must say that, there are, modern school is an iconic institution in its own right. And I'm going back into time. Of course, when we were set up in 1920, we came up on 24 Daryaganj. And 24 Daryaganj was not very far off from the Yamuna of those times. हम लाल किले की बात करते हैं, the waters of the Yamuna used to lap up the Red Fort, and likewise they used to lap up what is today Taj Mahal and tomb of Itmadu Dawla. So I think modern का जो सिलसिला है यमुना के साथ वो बहुत पुराना था. And it's not for nothing. They always say that history does not repeat itself, but it rhymes. And I think that, this rhyming of the Yamuna is something that was synonymous with modern school. So the initiative was basically an attempt not only to kind of, give back Yamuna's its pristine glory and grandeur, but also to dignify it, to dignify the past, and perhaps to give Yamuna its vital element of remembrance. Because remembrance, remembrance is something which is very vital in today's age and world, and it does not end at remembrance. It's also about nostalgia. And हमारे बच्चे जो थे बहुत लोगों से उन्होंने इंटरव्यू किया, उन्होंने उनसे बातचीत की. They talked to multiple generations of people, and they realized that at one point of time that was an absolute thriving place. I mean, the rivers were basically places. They were areas where people would interact, और जहाँ पर बहुत बातचीत होती थी, और the people could relive their times. I mean, you did not have cultural centers of the kind that you have in Delhi today. तो वहाँ पर अखाड़े होते थे, वहाँ पर गौशाला होती थी. There were many, the kings always had their yachts tied up, and they could always go into the river as and when they wished to. Or, as far as the Yamuna is concerned, the Yamuna was a very vital khamba of Delhi. We might be Barakhamba, but the Yamuna also was an important khamba.
Okay, ma'am, what are the specific day-to-day activities students perform under this program?
The students kind of, whether it is day trips to the Yamuna, or it is a photographic celebration, or it is a celebration of technology, or it could be something to do with literature and poetry. I mean, there was a fantastic outpouring of multiple things that the students did. I mean, we, as part of the school program, we, assigned summer holiday work to students across all classes, right from class 6 to class 12. And every student had a wonderful project to submit. Some of them gave it in the form of pen drives, some of them had videos, some of them had made films. And it did not stop there, because the concept of kind of, photographing various aspects of the Yamuna, when it is in full spate, when the river is toxic, when the river is kind of, in making news for wrong reasons, or for example, when the river is being remembered. हम कहते हैं ना कि I mean, शबे तहनाई में कुछ देर पहले नींद से गुजरी हुई सदगर्मियां बीते हुए दिन ऐश के. So those were those days of ash that we were, celebrating and we were remembering. और ये जो जज्बा है, this तासीर is something that our students must always remember. So I'm very happy that thanks to the Yamuna, the students have not only got more empathetic and not only more sensitized to the Yamuna in general, but perhaps they will have that same kind of, gentle connect with rivers all across the world. Because after all, men may come and men may go, but Yamuna goes on forever.
Thank you so much for your enlightened comments, ma'am. Thank you so much.